Hi all, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unbox art supplies sent to us by Derwent. We entered into a landscape art contest held by Derwent on Instagram and fortunately won that contest. They had 3 prize bundles to choose from and so this is the bundle we chose. Let's show you guys what's inside. This prize bundle has a battery operated eraser, a precision mechanical pencil with a full metal body, a glued pad of the Lightfast papers by Derwent, and the Lightfast colored pencils. Let's talk about them in detail. So the first art product is a battery operated eraser which looks like this. It comes with some extra refills. The front and the back both have the brand name, and at the back we get the battery slot. There's this button that we can use to run the eraser. So the packaging has some basic details and a small instruction slip inside on how to insert the batteries. This eraser runs on 2 AAA batteries and I've seen many artists using this battery eraser, so I'd be excited to try this out. Moving on to the second product, it's a precision mechanical pencil of 0.7mm graphite lead size in HB grade. They've included a box with 15 LEDs for refilling and 3 eraser refills that can be inserted at the back of the mechanical pencil for handy erasing. This pencil is available in 0.5mm as well, but the one that we have is 0.7. The next 2 products are what I'm the most excited to use and see what they work like. This is the Derwent Lightfast colored pencil set of 24. I'm totally in love with the print quality and the beautiful artwork on this. This is a tin box and the inside is wrapped. We get a booklet which has details about the colored pencils available in different sets. Let's have a closer look at the pencils. The barrel and the core looks thick and each pencil is color coded at the bottom. Comment and let us know if you want a detailed review of the set alone where we can show you how they work, blend, etc. Coming on to our next and the last product of the bundle, we have a glued pad of Lightfast papers. The packaging says it's 100% cotton paper. It's hot pressed. Number of sheets is 20 in this pad. It's 300 GSM, which is a good thickness to hold a lot of layers. So that's all that we won in the contest, and let me quickly show you the drawing for which we won the prize bundle from Derwent for the landscape art contest, and this happens to be our first ever attempt at landscape drawing too. You can leave your feedback if you like this drawing. We love reading your comments. If you want to have a closer look at the details, make sure you check out our Instagram account Divyanshi_Rashi, where you'll find more artworks too. So that's all for this unboxing video. Tell us in the comments if you want us to use these and show you their working. See you all in the next video. Till then, keep sketching.